You and I were born under the same sign. It's a silent promise that we never need to speak a word of to anyone. It's like we aimed an arrow inches from the heart, and if we stretch that